Hey everyone, it's Roy from Financial Intake. Today we're diving into AMD's Q3 2024 earnings report, where the tech giant is posting impressive numbers driven by key growth in data centers and AI. In this video, we'll go through AMD's financial highlights, from EPS and operating income to gross margin improvements, and cover how these results reflect AMD's position in the semiconductor and AI markets. If you want to be up to date with all the big companies' earnings, hit like, subscribe, and let's jump into the details. AMD reported $6.8 billion in revenue this quarter, marking an 18% increase year over year. This was complemented by a solid gross margin of 50% on a GAAP basis and 54% on a non-GAAP basis, up from 51% last year. The company recorded an operating income of $724 million, up a remarkable 223%, and a non-GAAP operating income of $1.4 billion, highlighting the company's improved efficiency and focus on profitability in key growth segments. EPS also showed strength, with GAAP earnings per share at 80 cents and non-GAAP EPS hitting 92 cents, both significant improvements from last year. CEO Dr. Lisa Su attributed these achievements to record-breaking revenues in the data center and client segments, positioning AMD for a historic year of growth in 2024. With strong demand across high-performance computing, AMD is leveraging its innovation to maintain momentum in a competitive landscape. AMD's data center segment generated record-breaking revenue of $3.5 billion, representing a substantial 122% increase year over year. This performance is primarily driven by demand for AMD EPI CPUs and Instinct GPUs, which play a vital role in enterprise AI and data center applications. Notably, the high demand for EPIC processors contributed to robust operating income growth and a boost to AMD's gross margins, solidifying their competitive stance against players like NVIDIA and Intel. The company's focus on AI-specific processors and high-performance solutions continues to resonate with cloud computing customers as AMD capitalizes on strong industry tailwinds. With AI applications surging, AMD's strategy positions it as a go-to provider in the enterprise market. Revenue from AMD's client segment reached $1.9 billion, up 29% year over year. This growth was powered by Ryzen processors, especially the Zen 5 series, which has been well received for both consumer and commercial PCs. The increased sales in this segment also contributed to AMD's overall EPS growth, showcasing the success of their client segment in both high-performance and AI-capable PC offerings. The segment's gross margin gains reflect AMD's commitment to optimizing efficiency and maintaining cost-effectiveness in a highly competitive market, especially as the company continues to rival Intel in the consumer space. AMD's gaming segment reported $462 million in revenue, down 69% year over year. This drop reflects a decline in semi-custom sales, yet AMD remains focused on innovation within gaming, especially in GPU technology. These advancements should contribute positively to future quarters as the gaming market stabilizes. Meanwhile, the embedded segment, which generated $927 million, down 25% from last year, showed positive sequential growth, rising by 8% compared to last quarter. The embedded market is diverse, covering industrial to automotive applications, and has provided steady gross margin contributions despite varying demand cycles. This segment supports AMD's stable EPS and operating income while adapting to changing market needs. Beyond current revenue, AMD's AI and data center strategies are key drivers of long-term growth. The recent launch of the Instinct MI300X accelerators, in collaboration with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, strengthens AMD's AI presence, adding to non-GAAP operating income and future earnings potential. Collaborations with major players like Microsoft, Meta, and Google Cloud further support AMD's role in high-performance AI and cloud computing. AMD's strategy emphasizes expanding AI capabilities, positioning it to capture rising demand and potentially boost gross margins over time. As AMD broadens its AI portfolio, these partnerships reinforce its status as a leader in advanced computing. For Q4, AMD projects revenue between $7.5 billion and $7.8 billion, reflecting up to a 22% year-over-year increase. The company expects non-GAAP gross margin to remain around 54%, sustaining the balance between growth and profitability while contributing to operating income. With a continued focus on AI, data center, and high-performance computing, AMD aims to close out 2024 with record revenue, which could lead to further EPS gains and value for shareholders in 2025. The strategic investment in AI and high-margin segments supports AMD's positive outlook and aligns with demand for advanced computing solutions. In summary, AMD's Q3 2024 results reflect significant growth in data center and AI, underpinned by strong operating income, EPS, and gross margins. With strategic moves in advanced computing, AMD is positioned for continued success as a top semiconductor player. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates on AMD and other tech leaders.